And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you maps. Maps are just like sets, another special kind of object. So the way to create it starts the same way. We'll use cons and define a name for it. Let's say fruits. Set it equal to new and then map. So new and map are now the keywords here. And this creates this map of fruits. Now we'll have to add something different though, and these are square brackets. So this is something that we haven't used in objects or sets. For maps, you should use it. And then inside we have key value pairs, and they are also nested inside of square brackets. And that's always the format. You separate these key value pairs via a comma, just like you would with objects. But they always have their own square brackets. So key 1, value 1, square brackets, comma, then key 2, value 2, square brackets. Let us actually add some information here. We were talking about fruits, so let me make that bananas, 12. Maybe oranges. I'll make that 24, square bracket, comma, let me add a third one, maybe apples. So with objects we would have bananas and then colon 12 for example. With maps we have bananas, comma 12. And if we print out the fruits, you can see we have an object map, so we've successfully created that. And if you use the type of to check what it is, it should return object. So just with sets, you can see maps as an undercategory, a subcategory of what objects are. The obvious question is, what's now the difference between a map and a regular object, apart from this different way of writing it? Well, there are many, but the two main differences are that maps can store the order of the key value pairs. So it can remember that bananas and 12 are in index 0, you could say, just like with an array, and oranges come after it and apples come after the oranges, and that's something that objects don't remember. Another key difference is that you can actually make your key a number, for example 15. So if I inverse the order here, I'll make it 15 for the key and Pierce is now the value. This will also be stored as a number. So the type of the key here in this map is a number, and in an object that doesn't work, the object would automatically convert the 15, the number, into a string value of 15. These are the two main differences. There are more, and we also have specific map methods that I'm going to talk about in the coming tutorials. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.